Welcome to the Bottle Houses and Gardens on Prince Edward Island. This quirky attraction was created by a retired lighthouse keeper, Edward Arsenault. He originally built them between 1980 and 1983. These buildings are constructed entirely from recycled glass bottles. However, due to the harsh island weather, the buildings you see today are reconstructed versions built in the 90s. The first building we enter is a chapel, built with roughly 10,000 bottles. You can see that everything from the altar to the pews are all made of glass bottles. You can even get married here. Edward actually didn't get to see this finished product as he died before it was completed in 1983. From here we enter into the gardens with cute touches to be found, like glass bottle garden borders, a fairy garden, and teacups hanging from the trees. I always love a good wooden bridge, and as you cross the pond, make sure you keep your eyes out for the fish. The next building is the six-gabled house, Edward's first building that only took him about 6 months to complete in 1980. He used about 12,000 glass bottles. That's about 300 to 400 bottles per row. In the distance, you can see the model of the Cape Egmont Lighthouse, a small replica of the one Edward used to tend as a lighthouse keeper. The last building is the tavern, completed in 1982. This hexagonal building uses 8,000 bottles. The central cylinder is the only remaining original wall built by Edward himself. In true tavern fashion, a collection of bottles are on display on the bar. These are the ones that Edward found too beautiful or unique to use in the walls. We circle back to the beginning of the grounds, and from there you can browse the gift shop or carry on your merry way across the island. While I wouldn't go out of my way to visit, it is a whimsical little stop and has great ambiance for a picnic. If you want more ideas of things to do on Prince Edward Island, check out the link below.